Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Astral Realm badge. To begin your quest for this esteemed achievement, you must first understand the journey ahead. This badge signifies mastery over ethereal challenges and grants exclusive recognition. We will cover everything from initial preparations to navigating the mysterious Astral Realm itself. Prepare to embark on an adventure that will test your skills and dedication, leading you to a truly special reward. Before venturing into the Astral Realm, essential preparations are key. First, ensure your character has reached at least level 50 to access the Astral Gateway. Next, you will need to collect 3 distinct celestial fragments, found in different challenging zones across the game world. Finally, secure a protective charm. This item is crucial for enduring the unique, potent energies within the Astral Realm itself. Once inside, navigating the Astral Zone presents several trials. Your first task is to solve the intricate ancient star puzzle, which will unlock the inner sanctum. Be ready to face and defeat 5 powerful spectral guardians who protect the realm's core. Additionally, you must diligently search for 20 hidden astral tears, which are subtly scattered throughout this mystical area. Precision and keen observation are vital for success here. To claim your well-earned achievement, return to the Astral Gateway once all tasks are complete. With your celestial fragments, protective charm, and 20 astral tears in hand, interact with the ancient altar located there. This final action will signify your triumph over the Astral Realm's challenges. The prestigious Astral Realm badge will then be officially added to your collection, marking your extraordinary accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.